Why learn JD Edwards Finance? Well, there are many different modules, right? There is procurement, there is sales order management, there is CRM, there is expense management, there is manufacturing management, and many more. So, why learn JD Edwards Finance? Finance is one of the core modules of JD Edwards. It is easy to learn. It is really easy compared to other modules. Every company needs financial accounting irrespective of its product, services, size, and location. So, financial management system is fundamental to any company, and of course, it has plenty of jobs. Finance functions are broad and have deep roots. Each business function involves JD Edwards Finance configuration. So, with JD Edwards Finance module skills, you get exposure to all elements of business. This is an evergreen field to build a successful career. Being a JD Edwards Finance consultant, it will become easier for you to learn other core modules like procurement and ST in a very short period of time. Finance professionals are well versed in functioning of other departments of the company like procurement, sales and distribution. They have strong business acumen. It is very easy for them to do business analysis, design and map those processes to ERP system like JD Edwards. So the point being, all these business processes and especially finance is fundamental to any company. It could be a small company or it could be a large company, doesn't matter. Finance is one of the core modules of JD Edwards and very easy to learn. If you know JD Edwards Finance, learning path of other core module like procurement, sales order management, CRM, expense management, etc. becomes very easy. It is also easy to learn and forms a good entry module for beginners. The other reason why you get to learn JD Edwards Finance because every company requires it. So you have got to always have your job. And who can learn JD Edwards Finance? Anybody. Anybody can learn JD Edwards Finance. So there is no doubt about that. You don't need to have a lot of experience. You don't need to code or you don't need to understand complex language just like Java or any other programming language. All you need is some common sense, willingness to learn and put in practice. There is no other module which is as central to JD Edwards Finance implementations and support as JD Edwards Finance. With JD Edwards Finance module skills, you get exposure to all elements of business as each function involves JD Edwards Finance configuration. In no time, you will have a good insight into all JD Edwards financial implementation fundamentals and routine administration tasks. The course is intended to be lucid, easy to follow, not theoretical as are most of the courses taught online.